Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dapolkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 19, OV 133. आत्मैक विज्ञान हेची पराकाष्ठा असे ज्ञानाची मोक्ष आणि परमानंदाची उत्पत्ती साची तेथुनी. But the real knowledge about the Atma is the epitome of knowledge, that is itself liberation and eternal bliss which sprout from it. अंधास हत्तीचे वर्णना करिता आणिला बृहस्पती समान वक्ता वक्तृत्वे स्वरूप येईना चित्ता वाचातीता न वर्णवे. Even if a learned speaker like Brihaspati is brought before a blind person to describe an elephant, then, after listening to the speech, the blind one will not be able to perceive the elephant. Similarly, it is impossible to describe in words that which is beyond words. वक्त्याचे वक्त्र श्रोत्याचे श्रोत्र आणि तील काय गेलेले नेत्र हस्ती स्वरूपावलोकन पात्र केवळ नेत्रची सत्यत्वे. Can the oratory of a speaker or the ears of a listener bring back the eyesight which has once been lost? Truly speaking, only the eyes are capable of perceiving the elephant. नेत्र नसता कैसा हस्ती येईल अंधाची प्रतीती तैसेच दिव्य नेत्र जै गुरु देती ज्ञान संवित्ती तेधवा. If there are no eyes, how can a blind person understand an elephant? Similarly, that divine sight which a guru bestows on the disciple alone is capable of procuring the wealth of knowledge. साई स्वरूप यथार्थ ज्ञान स्वयं जो परिपूर्ण विज्ञान घन हेच तयाचे ध्यान अनुष्ठान हेच दर्शन तयाचे. To know the nature of Sai is itself real knowledge. He is the complete essence of that unique knowledge. Dhyan, Anushtan and Darshan are all combined in his case. अविद्या काम कर्म बंधन याचे भावया अशेष मोचन नाही नाही अन्य साधन गाठ ही बांधून ठेवा की. False knowledge, passion and chain of actions are the things from which total liberation is possible by meditating upon him and through nothing else. Bear this in mind. साई नाही तुमचा वा आमचा तो सर्वभूतस्थ साचा सूर्य जैसा सकल जगाचा हा सकळाचा तैसाच. Sai does not belong to you or to me. He resides in all beings. Just as the sun belongs to the whole world, he too belongs to all. आता परिसा तयाचे बोल सर्वसाधारण आणि अनमोल स्मरणी ठेविता वेळोवेळ स्वार्थ सफळ सर्वदा. Now listen to his words, which seem commonplace but are very valuable. If you remember them from time to time, you will succeed in whatever you do, always. नसल्या लागा बंधा काही कोणीही कोठेही जातची नाही नरास काय पशुपक्ष्याही न करी कोणाही हडहड. Without having an association from some earlier life, no one, not just human beings, but even animals and birds, come across one another. Therefore, do not rebuff anyone. आल्या गेल्याचा आदर करी तृषिता जल भुकेल्या भाकरी उघड्यास वस्त्र बसाया ओसरी देता श्रीहरी तुष्टेल. Respect the strangers who come to your doorstep. Offer water to the thirsty. Give bread to the hungry. clothes to the naked, and some space to rest in your veranda to the needy. This will please the Lord. कुणाला भावा असेल पैसा, तुझिया चित्ती द्यावा कैसा, देऊ नको परी वसवसा, श्वाना ऐसा वर्तू नको. If anybody is in need of money and you are not desirous of giving, do not give, but at least don't behave in an insulting manner and bark like a dog at him